Hi everyone, welcome to this lesson on data collection techniques in quantitative research. So this topic plays a central role in your research journey because the accuracy and the integrity of your final findings depends heavily on how well your data is collected. So in quantitative research, data collection is not about gathering information alone. It is about ensuring the data you gather is systematic, it is measurable and suitable for statistical analysis. So in this video, I will walk you through various techniques used in quantitative studies. So I will also explore on how to design a strong data collection instrument, how samples work, and ethical elements that could be or must be considered before engaging the participants. So regardless of which method you ultimately use for your research, whether you are conducting a survey um, or analyzing using the secondary data, so this video will give you the foundation on how to do it professionally and confidently. Before we begin exploring the techniques, let us go through our learning objective for today. So by end of the session, you should be able to identify the major data collection methods that is commonly used in quantitative research. You also will gain the understanding of how surveys and questionnaires are developed, and including on how to identify the measurement items and to understand the importance of conducting a proper sampling techniques. So in addition, you will also learn on how to match your research objective with the right data collection method. So this will help to ensure that your data collection is appropriate, measurable, and suitable for the analysis. And finally, we will discuss on how to maintain reliability, validity, and the ethical standards throughout the data collection phase. There are several techniques commonly applied in quantitative research. The most popular is the use of survey and questionnaire, particularly in social science research. A questionnaire typically includes close-ended questions, such as like skill items or multiple choice questions, ranking questions, and rating skills. So these these question types are easy to quantify and analyze statistically um, in order to ensure that respondents able to provide consistent and comparable answers. Now, because survey are highly structured, so they should help to eliminate ambiguity and to reduce the potential for variation in interpretation. So this is essential when you want to ensure that your results are reliable and valid. However, designing a questionnaire requires careful attention to detail. Poorly written questions can get the respondents confused or even lead to biased results. So, as a result, questionnaire design is considered a critical research skill that must be developed and need to be refined by the researcher. Survey and questionnaires are the most widely used quantitative data collection tools because they allow researchers to gather large amount of data quickly and efficiently. So this tool usually include close-ended questions, or it can also be a rating scales and Likert scales item that able to measure attitudes or perceptions or even the behavioral intention. In addition to that, demographic questions are also included to understand the characteristic of the sample. So the aim is to make sure that the questions are clear, the questions are well structured and easy for respondents to answer. Reliable and valid data is the foundation of strong quantitative research. Reliability refers to the consistency of your measurement, whether participants would answer similar if they were asked again. And validity refers to the accuracy of your instrument. So it means that whether the question is measuring what it is supposed to measure. So you can improve both by ensuring clear instruction, appropriate questions, wording, and consistent procedures. To conclude, for this video, data collection in quantitative research requires careful planning. Structured instruments and consistent procedures must also be included. Whether you are conducting a survey or other methods that fits to your study, it should be aligned to your research objective. So it's good that if you can actually master the principles of doing or conducting a quantitative survey from this video, and I hope that you will be well prepared to conduct your own study, your own survey, because with this data collection that is good and well designed can lead towards a strong analysis, a meaningful finding, and a very good interpretation. So as you're moving forward in your research project, please keep these principles in your mind and apply them thoughtfully to ensure that your final results are both credible and impactful. That's all for now. So I'll see you guys again in the next video. Thank you.